Hey Blueberry, what you eating? Oh, some celery stalk. You're really at it. You're shredding that thing up. Hope you're eating some. Hey Mango. He's looking at Blueberry eating. Hi Rainbow. You got 2 stalks here. Are you sharing? No, you're not sharing. You're just taking everything. Mango, you want some? Mango, you want some celery? We got some celery on top. Come on. Scoop up. Let's go to the celery. No, you don't want to eat? Okay. Blueberry, eat. Blueberry, eat. Rainbow, eat. You on your cell phone again? Come on, let's go eat. Let's finish eating before we play. Yeah, let's go eat. Come on, Mango. Mango and Blueberry flying around. Mango over here. Blueberry over here. Rainbow over here. Who's a handsome boy? Rainbow? And this is Mango. Oh, very good. You do that on the disco ball. You want to say hi to everybody? What can Mango say this morning? Are you going to talk? Well, don't turn your back towards everybody. That's not nice. I don't think Mango's going to talk this morning. He's busy looking at himself. See, this is a disco ball. You see a reflection of himself. You want to check for email? Okay. A lot of good comments, right? Hey Blueberry, was that good? Was that celery good? Hey Blueberry, hey Mango, Blueberry, Mango. Can Mango give Blueberry a kiss? Can Mango give Blueberry a kiss? Oh, here comes everybody. They get a lot of exercise in nowadays because of Rainbow. Rainbow's very high energy budgie. Rainbow is 7.5 months old. Mango and Blueberry turning 7 this year. So this Rainbow guy here is keeping Mango and Blueberry in tip-top shape. Flying all around, playing. Okay, I'm going to leave you be to your breakfast. Are you done already, Blueberry? Are you done? You're going to have some more later, right? Hey, Mango, you like to play, right? Mango loves to play, too. Spin the mirror. Oh, very good. Look how fast he spins the mirror. He gets a workout, a foot workout. And there goes Rainbow. Hey, Rainbow. You're trying to spin the mirror too. You did, and you spinned it with your beak. That's very good. Hey, Mommy tickle tickle? Mommy tickle tickle? Mommy tickle tickle? No?